Hello everybody, we're here today. We're trying on some wigs outside just to kind of, it's loud. Okay, so this is a new wig. This is wig number 928. It is yaki straight. So you see this beautiful texture, you see the hairline, you see the part. We definitely have the best quality wigs here. But as we were shooting, I was made aware that there is another scam company out there. So this time, the scammers are called, let me see, because I woke up this morning to a bunch of messages about what's going on. They are stealing our logo, but they're not us. So this is the fake company right here. They're going by Bling Magic Luxe Hair Company. That is not us. We are only magichaircompany.com. You can only find my awesome quality wigs at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. We don't sell our wigs on Amazon or anything like that. So apparently this company is contacting people and asking them to purchase a wig, like they're pretending like they want promo, and they're asking the person to purchase our Magic Hair Company wig from a Amazon site, and then they're going to reimburse them and also pay them $900 a week. That is a scam. I am the only Magic Hair Company. Make sure that I'm ready. Make sure that when you shop with us, our wigs are only at Magic Hair Company. I will never contact anybody. First of all, I'm not paying anybody $900 a week for anything, but it's not us. So don't get scammed. My wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. A couple of months ago, we had another company saying that Magic Hair Company is having a 90% off sale and selling wigs for $30. I will never sell wigs for $30. So if it's not magichaircompany.com or here in my Culver City store, know that it is a scam and it's not us. But in the meantime, we are going to keep doing what we're doing here. I've been here for 10 plus years and I'm not going to let anybody break my spirit and try to scam and do whatever. The great thing about the internet is you can actually research a company. Anybody that researches us sees that it's me. I'm black owned. I'm not shipping from China. I only ship here from our Culver City store, and I only have the best quality. I will never jeopardize my integrity or my quality. So shop with us here at Magic Hair Company if you want the best quality lace wigs. We will never have a $30 wig sale. I will never do any of this scam stuff. Whenever in doubt, magichaircompany.com. Give us a call. Our phone number is 310-558-0181. Shop with us here in our Culver City store so you can come, smell, touch, feel the hair, get a customized color consultation. But don't get scammed. I hate hearing stories like this, and I don't want that to happen to any of my lovely followers or friends. I love you guys. I would never scam you, and every time I hear about something, I definitely make you aware. And I love this wig. It is a yaki straight wig, and it is the perfect texture for natural everyday hair. Shop with us at magichaircompany.com if you want the best. Bye guys, see you soon.